So we're now going to take a look at Whittington Moor. We're approaching here in this diagram Whittington Moor from the southbound A61. That's at the bottom right of your screen. Now as you approach, ensure you identify the sign to give you the exit where you're going. In this case, the second exit towards Cutthorpe. So approaching the roundabout in the left-hand lane, there are three things you need to bear in mind at this approach. The first is your position. You need to ensure that the car is pointing slightly to the left so that when you emerge safely you do so in the correct lane. The second thing you need to pay attention to is the danger from the right, and using the skill of judgment that you've been taught, identify when it is safe to emerge on the roundabout. And the final thing you need to pay attention to is the lane that you're going to emerge onto. Now you're already positioned to the left, so you emerge into the left-hand lane and follow this round, and then use your mirror signal maneuver position to take yourself off the roundabout safely. So now that we've done that, we can now have a look at what it feels like when you're in the car by looking at a video of an in-car perspective. So now we're inside the car, approaching the same exit. Look at the sign. Let's take the second exit for Cutthorpe. The road markings will also tell you the road number of where your destination is to. So now we approach the roundabout in the left-hand lane, nice and slowly. Again, think of your position, turning the car slightly to the left on approach. We are now ready to use our judgment skill to decide when to emerge onto the roundabout when it is safe to do so. Having made that decision then, when you decide to go on the roundabout, ensure you choose the left lane, the green lane marked here, not the red, and come onto the roundabout, making good progress. And then, with mirror signal maneuver, come off the roundabout safely, following the signs to Cutthorpe.
Now you've watched this video, you should have a better understanding of how to navigate that particular approach and exit on Whittington Moor. If you'd like to know more, please visit the link in the description below this video. Remember to subscribe to the videos as well. Thank you for watching.